here at the border of 15 and 14. Again, if we didn't get all the video and audio at the beginning, it is 22,222 square feet. 0.5111 of an acre here. 125 feet frontage, 184 feet back on one side, 125 feet back, and then 192 feet back. And don't forget, you have the extra common area properties. All right, folks, this little flag is to tell us that we're basically around the halfway mark of the lot on the edge, the south side. So we'll give you a pan over through the middle there. Many great building places for you. Like I said, if somebody gets both these lots, you'll have over an acre. That'd be 43,530 feet. Square feet. Wow. As you see, nice and level, many a building location throughout there. Building barns and sheds and houses and dog kennels. You can put your McMansion up here. There's the black coyote. All right, folks, still walking down the borderline on the south side, lot 15. 22,222 square feet. 184 feet to get all the way to the back of your lot, which is somewhere right here. What they have is little survey pins that are made out of rebar, basically. So now it's going to be about 125 feet across the back here. I can't see the flag, but we'll go off this direction and find it. Oh, I found something interesting, folks. Wait till you see this. All right, folks, right here on the borderline, on this huge hickory tree, and I did see some oaks in here too, somebody has, and it looks fairly new, a blind. It's strapped here. Yeah, it looks very new. Goes all the way up. There's a chair sitting place. Oh, and they have a rope here too to pull up their gun or their bows and arrows, drinks, whatever. So we'll just leave it right there. We respect other people's property. But if you buy the land and you want to have it removed, tell them they can't hunt here anymore. You know, I was wondering, we normally see deer all the time, but it's probably deer season, and the deer are pretty smart up here in Arkansas. They hide out. So probably why we're not seeing any deer. It's hunting season. In the springtime, a lot of good mushroom hunting out here too. You get some of those morels mushrooms. That's the kind of hunting I like to do. All right, here we're now at the corner, the back corner of lot 14 and 15. There's a pickup truck. I can see it up through there, and that is 192.34 feet to the truck. So, man, This is a huge amount of land for pennies on the dollar. It's getting dark, so we can't dally around. We're going to just head right back to the truck, keep giving you some views of this gorgeous lot. All right, hurrying as we go here, folks. We're now basically in the middle of both lots. Oh, there's the crazy coyote. So lot 14, lot 15, about halfway in. Michelle's going to give you a little spin with the camera, and I'm heading to the outlay before it gets too dark. All right, folks, coming out of lot 15 on the border of lot 14, lot 15 this way. Again, lot 15, over a half a carat, over a half an acre. Okay, and we're looking at 52,222 square feet. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes lot 15 here at the border of 15 and 14. Again, if we didn't get all the video and audio at the beginning, it is 22,222 square feet. 0.5111 of an acre here. 125 feet frontage, 184 feet back on one side, 125 feet back, and then 192 feet back. And don't forget, you have the extra common area properties. Don't miss it. These are AAA plus right here. We'll see you back at the auction. Gotta get home.